Hi there, it's Joanna with Remnant Real Estate Solutions, and we are back at our project on Featherchase Court in Chesterfield County. And we've made some progress here. We've got the walls opened up and you can really see the vision. That attic space that we had, it is now a complete room and the biggest room in the house. So let me show you what we've done. Wow, so this space has really opened up. We have opened up walls. We cut down the wall leading up to the stairs, making it easier to get furniture, and we completely took down the wall between the living room and the dining room and the kitchen. So we have a huge open space down here. And then we had that computer room right here, that's gone. And so we just made that even with the half bath, and we have a big closet here instead for coats or whatever. And now we have this more usable space, a bigger foyer. Let me show you the half bath, which hasn't had much work done to it, but the wallpaper's gone. So here you can see that we did end up putting in all new cabinets in here to make the cut for the U shape, because before this was an L-shaped cabinet with kind of a wasted wall. So we wanted to make the most of this space. We took out the pantry that was there and instead created this encasement for the refrigerator in that space. And then we just put cabinets on the wall that was blank. So this is going to be really nice. We're putting granite countertops in here and like a dark floor throughout, a vinyl plank. So I just realized I didn't show you the garage before, but we do have a one-car garage, which is a little oversized. So we got a lot of space in here for storage. We've got a brand new water heater, upgraded electric panel. It's all nice and clean for the most part in this garage. So as you can see here, we have built a new deck. Instead of the monstrosity that was there before, we have one single deck, which makes a lot more sense. So that made our yard even bigger and more usable space. And thankfully it's all fenced in and the fence is in good standing right now. So this is going to be a nice backyard for someone. All right, so as we go upstairs, we're going to take a look at the bedrooms and the bathrooms up here. And you'll get to see the finished attic. So here in this finished attic space, this is the largest bedroom now with a pretty big size closet as well, but we've got so much space in here. This is going to be a good space for a teenager. Shoot, the parents might want to live over here. So now let's take a look at the main bedrooms. This is the master bedroom. Leading into the master bathroom. We've taken out the vanity. We will be replacing the toilet. We're going to keep the shower, but make it look much nicer. And then there's the walk-in closet, which is almost as big as the bathroom itself. The other bedroom is prepped, getting ready for paint. Sorry, these doors not gonna stay open. All of the ceilings have been painted now. And then here's the main bathroom, which we've taken out the vanity and the toilet. We're gonna keep the shower and tub and just reglaze it. Put new vanity and toilet in here. So there you have it, folks. Featherchase Court is almost complete. And you know what that means? That means I need more properties. So if you have a property to sell, give us a call at 804-596-9110 or send me an email at joanna@remnantres.com. I look forward to working with you.